Hello kids, today we'll learn name of cleaning tools. Dustpan, dustbin, trash can or garbage can. Broom, coconut broom stick. Bin liner, garbage bag or trash bag. Plastic bucket or pail. Plastic mug. Laundry brush, scrub brush or scrubbing brush. Mop. Plunger. Toilet brush. Vacuum cleaner. Toilet cleaner. Dishwashing liquid. Dish towel. Bottle brush. Plastic tub. Hose. Tap or faucet. Rubber gloves. Washing powder or laundry detergent. Laundry basket. Clothes dryer. Rag. Feather duster. Squeeze mop. Squeegee. Sponge. Paint brush. Glass cleaner. Floor cleaner. Sanitizer. Waste basket. Step ladder. Washing machine. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.